In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower Microsoft Teams volume. If Microsoft Teams is sounding a little too loud during calls, notifications, or meetings, the good news is that you can adjust its volume separately without changing the sound level for everything else on your computer. This is especially helpful if you still want your system audio or other apps to stay at their normal volume while making Teams quieter. To get started, open Microsoft Teams. Make sure the app is running, because Windows usually needs the program to be active before you can adjust its individual sound level in the volume controls. Once Teams is open, you can move on to the sound settings from your taskbar. Next, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click the speaker icon in the taskbar. This opens the main sound controls for your computer. If you don't immediately see the icon, you may need to check the system tray area near the clock. This is where Windows keeps quick access to audio settings, network options, and other system tools. After that, click Volume Mixer to open it. The Volume Mixer is useful because it lets you control the audio level for individual apps instead of only changing the master volume for the entire computer. That means you can lower Microsoft Teams specifically while leaving your browser, music, or other programs alone. Once the Volume Mixer is open, look for Microsoft Teams in the list of active applications. You should see a slider for it. Drag that slider down to the desired volume level. Lower it gradually until it feels comfortable for calls, alerts, or meeting audio. If you lower it too much, you can always move it back up until you find the right balance. A helpful tip here is to test the volume right away. If you're in a meeting, playing a Teams notification sound, or listening to a recorded message, you'll be able to hear the change immediately. This makes it much easier to fine-tune the level instead of guessing. And that's it. By opening Microsoft Teams, clicking the speaker icon in the bottom right corner, opening the volume mixer, and dragging the Teams slider to your preferred level, you can quickly make the app quieter without affecting the rest of your computer's audio. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference if Teams tends to overpower other sounds on your device.